Behind the scenes, as Brandon waters.
And I start shooting. I think that was good.
If you could see me, I don't know. More behind the scenes, as Brandon aggressively waters the plants.
We're good.
Alright, are we good really?
Are we for real yet? I don't know. Tune in next time.
Mine's red.
Yeah. I think that was most superior. Mine's.
You know, like. Brandon, Mayhew, I'm gonna need your help. Alright, I'm gonna hit it that way, you're gonna get it, alright?
What? Okay.
Like, I'm gonna hit it, you're gonna get it.
You got it.
Hit it or quit it.
Hit it or quit it. Really? Start working the bees. Oh, they are.
What?
They are right here. Hey, go.
Ready?
I have a good feeling about this one. Woo! We did it! Oh!
My partial derivatives aren't working.
As you can see, the ordinary Luca is taking a break.
I ain't getting paid enough for this.